Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable Auto Spotlight in Bumble. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed Bumble in my mobile device and logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. I'm simply gonna open up Bumble. And guys, as you can see, this is Bumble. You can swipe right for the people you are interested and swipe left for whom you are not. It's as easy as that. Now let's simply go to settings. Right here is profile. I'm simply gonna click on it and this will open up. From here, let's try to go to settings. At the top right, here is a gear-like icon. Simply click on it and then you will be in the settings page. Well, as you can see, there are lots of options, but right now we simply want to focus on Auto Spotlight. Right here's the button, simply toggle it on. It's saying something like this: we're making sure you sign at the right time. Let's simply click on got it. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable Auto Spotlight in Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.